this week on Christina Just Tried, we're just jumping right on into it. Guns blazing. Here we go on my take of elote. To start this project off, we're starting with 4 ears of corn. We're going to shuck them, taking off all the green husks and the little golden hairs. And we'll see, I even snap off the bottom of one of them. But I end up inevitably chopping the tops and bottoms off later. I like to chop the bottoms and the tops off to give a flat surface for later on after they're boiled, because it's easier to cut the corn from the cob when you have a flat surface versus a rounded one. It's safer. So now I got a boiling pot of water and 4 ears of shucked corn. Just gonna throw them in there. I'm gonna boil them for about 10 to 15 minutes. And in the meantime, we're gonna prep some of our flaming hot Cheeto Puffs. So I have a bag of Cheeto Puffs. I open them a little bit at the top just to get most of the air out. And then I couldn't find my rolling pin, so I used my water bottle. You can use a water bottle, you can use a rolling pin, you can use a can of Coke if you want. Just roll it through, break everything up, and there you go, you got powdery Cheeto dust. Now, the corn is completely cooked at this point, so I take it out and I let it cool off until I can handle it. Once it's cooled down, go ahead and just set it on the side, standing up, and just cut the corn off of the cob. The flatter the edge, the safer it is. It's not rolling around. And divvy it up in your bowls and then garnish it. I like to roll my lemons on the cutting board, pressing them to release the juices. And then I just grab a ramekin and a sieve and I juice I think it's 2 lemons. And then I drizzle that on top of the corn. Add some nice acidity to it. So usually at this point before the cheese, I would add in a tablespoon or 2 of mayonnaise and then dust with Cotija cheese and the flaming hot Cheeto dust. But I didn't think of that until I was about to eat it. So don't forget, mayonnaise, Cotija cheese, and Cheeto Puff dust. And there you have it, elote. You mix it all up before you eat it and it's delicious. This corn mix is a nice, delicious snack. I mean, if you make a big enough portion, you can just call it dinner, but you should try it at least once in your lifetime. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye-bye.